one is a puzzle you only solve. It's a type of game. Here is one market. Here one man is with a donkey. He took his donkey to the market, search the way where he will go to the market. Okay, children, we'll read the lesson. This is the story of a foolish man Bhikkhu and his foolish son Bhima. Bhikkhu and Bhima lived in a village not very far from the city of Agra. Is the story of one father and son. Father name is Bhikkhu and son name is Bhima. They are staying in village. It's near to Agra. The village was very small and did not have a proper marketplace. Whenever the villagers needed to trade goods or buy something other than the daily stuff, they had to visit the city of Agra. In the villages will get a big shop. We will buy some goods. We have to go to the city. We have to sold some goods. Goods means vastugalu. Okay. We have to sold the goods. We have to go to the city only. Like this only here also the villagers go to the Agra for buying and sell the goods. Now Bhikkhu was a farmer and owned a small piece of land. On it he grew corn and other crops. He owned a few chickens, 2 goats and a donkey which was now quite old. Here is the Bhikkhu, one guy, father, he is having some little bit land and chicken and goats and one donkey. His donkey is very old. The donkey was no longer able to carry loads for Bhikkhu and so he decided to sell it off. In place of the donkey, he thought he would buy another younger mule. Then here is the donkey is very old, so Bhikkhu thought that he want to sell the donkey. Behalf of the donkey, he will take another donkey to carry the goods because it's very old. Donkey is very old, so he can't carry the goods. With this thought in mind, he called out to his son and together they set out with the donkey on a leash. Then he told to son Bhima, then take a donkey, be ready to donkey, we'll go to city, we'll sell the donkey. As they were walking along by it said, a villager passed them and said, you foolish, in spite of having a donkey with you, you choose to walk, why don't one of you ride it? Then Bhikkhu and Bhima, father and son, taking his donkey, they walking on the villagers. On the way, the villagers said, hey foolish, you don't know, do one thing, Wabro a donkey mere kutkori, sit on the donkey, when you walk. Why you are foolish walking by, both are walking. ಯಾಕೆ ಇಬ್ರು ಹಂಗೆ ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಒಬ್ರು ಆ ಡಾಂಕಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Bhikkhu felt foolish indeed. He asked his son to get on the donkey and they went their way. Then Bhikkhu said to his son Bhima, you sit on the donkey, we'll go. Soon they passed a village. A group of men were sitting under a banyan tree in the village square and chatting. As soon as they saw Bhikkhu and his son, one of them said, look at this lazy lad. He left his old father walk will list. He travels seated on the donkey. What is the world coming to? Then again they walking on the villages. Then the other villagers sitting on a banyan tree. Banyan tree ante ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಟ್ರೀ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೂತಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ then they said, the people said, see the son of his old father is walking, his son is sitting. See what word is coming. ಏನು ಇದು ಕಾಲ ಬಂತು, ಆ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅವನು ಮಗ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. The boy sheepishly, embarrassedly got down from the animals and told his father to ride the donkey. They proceeded towards the city now with the man on the donkey and his boy walking alongside. Then the boy heard that words the people said, na, the boy heard. Then he feels so much shame. So he get down the donkey and said to the father, "You sit on the donkey. I will come by walk." But they had not gone far when they passed two women. When they saw the man riding on the donkey, one of them whispered to the other, "Such a mean old man, he is enjoying the ride. Well, his poor lad trudges along. What is the world coming to?" Then again he passed some way. Then two women came there. Then he whispered and criminal matadadu. Then they talked, "See what world is coming. See the old man enjoying the donkey riding. Then a small baby walking. ಅವು ಚಿಕ್ಕದ ಹುಡುಗ ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಾಂಕಿ ಮೇಲೆ ರೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Embarrassed by this, Bhikkhu told his son, "We shall both ride the donkey together. In his way, nobody will point finger at you or me." Then again, the Bhikkhu said to the Bhima, his son, "Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll both all sit on the donkey. We'll go. Then nobody will tell anything." Bhima also thought this was the best solution and climbed up the donkey along with his father. Then Bhima also said, "Yeah, it's a good solution. We both will sit on the donkey." By this time they had reached the town. There was many people around now, and some of the passers-by began to point at them and laugh mockingly. Bhikkhu could not understanding this and asked one of them what the matter was. The man said, "You should be ashamed of yourself, old man. You and your son are both sitting on the poor old donkey. Don't you feel any pity for the poor animals?" Then again they reached the city. Then city people there watching to the boat, then they started laughing. Then they also murmuring and whispered his ears. Then the son Bhima asked the people, "What the matter? Why you are laughing?" Then people said, "You don't have any manners. They see the old donkey. You are both are sitting on the donkey. You are ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕರುಣ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡಾಂಕಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕರುಣ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. See how ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So okay children, in the next class I will take you remaining